I'm Celeste.
And we are A&C with a twist.
Okay. Today we are making Guineitos En Escabeche.
What is that?
It's a Puerto Rican dish using green bananas that are going to be marinated. This recipe is in honor of our dad because he loves bananas. He loves all kinds of bananas. Ripe, yellow. Is that the same thing?
Yellow and ripe are the same thing.
Yeah. He loves green bananas, ripe bananas, all of them. So this is in honor of him.
Yay.
Good. Yay! Let's get cooking. These are our ingredients for today. We have our main ingredient, green bananas,
Garlic,
onion,
bay leaves,
sea salt,
white vinegar,
black peppercorn,
olive oil,
and adobo.
What's that?
It's a mixture of salt, garlic, oregano, black pepper, and turmeric. Time to cook. First, we're going to peel the bananas, and the peel is very hard because they're unripe. So we have to use a knife, so that's why our dad is going to do it for us. Now that all the bananas are peeled, we're going to cut them into small chunks.
Now that we got it cut, we're gonna set it aside for a little bit.
Normally they use yellow and white onions, but we don't have any, so we're gonna use a red onion. And we're gonna start to slice the onion.
Get ready to cry.
Now we're going to mince the garlic.
Mince what?
We're gonna chop the garlic into really tiny pieces. Now that we have all of our ingredients prepped, we're going to start the cooking process. Now we are going to put a pot of water to boil with a little bit of salt in it, and we're going to put the sliced bananas in it and let it boil for about 15 minutes. In a separate pan, we are going to put in the sliced onions, the minced garlic, about 1.5 cups of olive oil, one cup of white vinegar, about a tablespoon of adobo, some peppercorn. Normally they put the whole peppercorn, but we only have crushed peppercorn, so we're going to put that in. And lastly, some bay leaves. Now we mix it up and let it cook on medium heat. Once the bananas are done boiling, we are going to take them over to the sink and drain the water out of them, and then we are going to put them in a large glass bowl. Next, we are going to pour the onion mixture on top of the bananas. Then we mix it together. This is what it looks like. Now we're going to let them cool and then put them in the refrigerator overnight to marinate.
See you tomorrow.
Bye! It is the next day and this is our finished product. Ta-da! Now we are going to serve it to our parents. Time to serve. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. And that was our Puerto Rican Guineitos En Escabeche with a twist. Bye!